And I'll tell you, I went to the room at about 4 p.m. I slept off nicely since it was a heavy food. I slept nicely, and this is Abhinandan. And when I woke up, it was 5:30. How is this girl walking? I'll also walk off, though there is a red one. Okay, now I do not know. I think the event is finished, but up to near my place, the car was parked. About 30 minutes walking distance. Still, there are people. Let me go see. So, I took a nice sleep. Never had taken an afternoon sleep like this. Okay, and let me go back over there and see. This is Abhinandan. It's very funny. It's all finished. There come all these trucks right now to pick all these cars and go. Okay, and you cannot go inside right now to see the cars. Okay, they have locked it off already. So I thought I should not have slept for a long time. It was very heavy. They have closed off, but you can see the cars are still there and people looking at it. They are going to lift the cars and put it. All those cars are here. This fellow, this here. Okay, a lot of them are there. Okay, all that bunch of them are there. So let me go see the roads. But still people are there. They have put out these wires and full police. And a lot of people still. So the effect of eating too much is sleep and laziness. Okay, so I cannot cross also here. I just came up from that side. If you ask, things will happen. So they are going to lift all these cars, expensive cars. See how the trolleys have come. Let me see how they will lift this fellow. Okay, it will take time. So let me move around. Still a lot of people are there, but they have put this wires. It's already nearly 6:45 or 6:50. Oh, but these cars are still here. So people are still taking photos. The red carpet for the road. Oh, all of them. This is a Lamborghini Miami. Lamborghini Miami. It's like a SUV. So all the owners and all will take and go. Let me there. Nothing is there. Omega. How do I go back that side? This fellow is. I think this was a Lamborghini only. I don't think anything is over there. Yeah, the road. That's okay. If I had already seen everything, I thought again I will come. Here everything closes up by 6 o'clock. But there were a lot of people. Wow, see, this is a dog. A dog as big as a goat. Oh. They have not even. over here. Now to watch is very nice. This one is, if I remember, let me see, McLaren or which one? From backside I'm seeing. Now no rush. No rush and wow. What is it? Oh, which one is this? Which car is that?
McLaren Senna
Oh,
GTR.
McLaren.
Yeah, it's a race car.
Okay.
It's only for the racetrack. You see it on the side at the window.
Okay.
You can open it for beverage and stuff.
Okay.
It's good. It's fast. Brim, brim, brim. Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. He's explaining to me. That's a McLaren. So it's good to see now. Coming late is good. No raw beauty people. All the raw beauties have left.
Push this side of the wall, please.
Okay. What is this fellow? This fellow is Ferrari. Ferrari. So let me go this other road, last road. Have you seen this guy? It's connected over there. So I'm talking very slowly. Usually I talk fast because I'm looking here and there. McLaren. I think there's one more last road. Let me see, one or two. Now it will be nice to watch when no one is there. It's like after evening. I think this is the first time I've taken a nap like this, in the afternoon time. Sorry. This is a fashion store, very expensive. $400, $500, $600, all done in Bangladesh or Bangkok, Thailand. It will be done, but very expensive, just brand like Primark. Primark is a European brand, fully with Bangladesh clothing. I think now Mukesh Ambani is buying that. Primark, or is investing in that. They closed this also. In this road also it was there. It is finished right now, I think. Oh, everything they have emptied off. Okay. Everything is beautifully emptied. Now car. So I'll go back to Midtown and I will do my chocolate shopping, dark chocolate shopping. This is Abhinandan. So another, today 16th. Okay. For other 9 days. Miami, just 2 months was 2 weeks was very cold. Only for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, that was in January, first week, it was like chilling cold. Terrible cold. Only cold, but that one will be more cold. Richmond and New York and all. Okay. But after 2 weeks, it became fine. So tomorrow what I will do is night-time working and early morning little working. Then I'll take another 1 week pass. 1 week bus pass. 1 week bus pass, or what to say is that 1 week bus pass for a train and bus pass for what to say but This is another one, Posh. Okay. And just do a little bit traveling everywhere. Finishing of Miami during daytime. Daytime, seeing here, there, everywhere. Oh, 911 GT.
Para ver si ya se comunicó con él o no.
We all have time for everything.
Are they trying to lift that one? Let me see. People are still going. So watch that. Which one is this? Prestige Imports. Oh, Bugatti. This is Bugatti. So people come from very far places just to see this fancy car. And how does it look? People are seeing how it is uploaded also. This is, let me